Hi everybody. So for this assignment, I want you to add an image to represent each document. And what you're going to see here is you're going to go Insert, Image, and the best thing to do is just to search the web, or you can copy and paste it if you were to do it. Hi everybody. For this assignment, I asked you to add an image to represent each document. So I'm going to pretend I'm looking up something and I'm going to go to Insert, Image. I can search the web, and then you'll see on your right hand side, you could barely see it, but you can Google. Let's say I'm looking for a Declaration of, and then it starts to filter it down so you could see. It says Declaration of Independence, and it'll come up with a picture. Do you see the pictures here? So what you would do is you would click on it. I think you would click on it twice actually, and it gives you a really big document. So how do you make it smaller? You click on the document, you see these blue dots? These blue dots, you drag it down and you make it smaller. See, it went up here to the top. And then you make it smaller and just make sure you make it small enough where it doesn't take up your whole space, okay? And that's one way of doing it. Another way of adding an image to a Google Doc is you can search the word up here and you can look up Declaration. Oh, here, see, it pops up right away, Declaration of Independence. And you have more images to choose from. So I'm gonna choose Declaration of Independence. I'll go ahead and choose this one here. So I'm gonna click on it, go copy image, then I'm gonna go to my document, and here you have to look at your keyboard. Your keyboard is gonna have this function, okay? Look at the letters I'm showing you here at the top. You're gonna click Control V, okay? If you click Control V, now you have to click Control and don't bring it up, just hold it down. And then you click the V and it pastes the document there. Did you see that? I had to click Control V in order to see the document on my Google Doc. All right, good luck everybody.